girl, hey, welcome back to the channel. So today I am here with this bomb ass revamped wig from Myfirstwig. Now this is their new Air lace frontal wig, which gives you more of a skin melt invisible lace compared to other laces that state that they are invisible. So this is going to give you more of a true scalp look, and it also comes with deep parting on this wig. As you can see me parting my hair throughout this wig. Now I'm in love with this hairline. One thing about Myfirstwig, when it comes to them revamping their wigs, they gonna nail it with this pre-plucked hairline and the invisible lace. So I did notice, and I'm sure you guys see it too, when I was parting the hair, it was a noticeable bald spot in the middle of the wig. So I'm going to tweak that so that you don't even know that it's like that. But I don't know, I think I've gotten a wig like this before from them where it's been over plucked in the front. So yeah, girl, I'm going to fix it. So today I'm going to be using a new product. I'm going to be using the 𝐃𝐫𝐚, I think that's how you pronounce it, lace hole spray. I've used this before in another video from Myfirstwig, and honestly, I love this spray compared to the 𝐿_TO_BE Glued spray. The 𝐿_TO_BE Glued spray it doesn't stick as quickly, and it doesn't really melt as good as this spray does. So as you can see, I'm doing my basic here. I'm just cutting the lace, parted my hair right down the middle, got into this deep middle part, and I'm just really flattening out the hair just to get a smooth hairline and figure out what I want to do with my baby hairs. Now FYI, this texture on this wig is a light Yaki. Honestly, this is the texture that I prefer, especially when it comes to bobs. It's just way more body. It just looks more good. It looks more better to me. It just flows more better. So here I am just pulling out my baby hairs. Now there is a new technique that I am doing in this video today with trying to get my baby hairs to come more um, towards my face instead of swooping it in away from my face. So what I did was I started to curve my baby hairs instead of just pulling them out. This helps with being able to get the baby hairs to come forward. Also, I love that this wig is pre-plucked, so I don't have to worry about wasting time going in trying to pluck the hairline. So I pulled out some baby hairs, and now I'm about to curl the baby hairs with this pixie cut curling iron. Honestly, I don't think I like this curling iron. I think I like my old mini curling iron instead. But girl, watch how these baby hairs swoop right into my hairline. Okay, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This is a bomb wig from Myfirstwig. First of all, get into this hairline. You can't even find the lace on this wig. For real. Like, it has melted so good into my skin. This is crazy. And look at how good the baby hairs is swooping into my hair. Also, I want to say the pre-plucked hairline made it so much easier with pulling out my baby hairs and trying to place them in the right spot so that the baby hairs come out more towards my face. And in case this is your first time seeing me on your screen installing a wig, I prefer to use 𝐿_TO_BE Glue Gel for slicking down my baby hairs, just because I like the hold, and I love that this product does not like not kink up, but does not turn white on me, or it doesn't like flake up or whatever. So that's why I prefer to use this instead. And just look at how smoothly the baby hairs is going into the hairline. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is a really nice wig. So as y'all know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a wife. Girl, I wear so many hats, and I often forget about myself. Girl, I'll be walking around my house looking like I don't even know who this girl is, because I sometimes just don't have enough time to focus on myself. And honestly, I can appreciate Myfirstwig for creating a wig that doesn't take a lot of time to get a beautiful look. For this particular install, I did not have to do any bleaching, any like tinting to the lace. I had no issues with blending the lace into my skin. I did have to go in and just pluck the part, simply because I wanted the part to be a little bit wider, and I don't know what was going on with this um, parting space in the front of the wig. So I was trying to get the part to be a little wider, but I didn't want to overplug too much. But anyways, girl, other than that, this is a real simple, easy throw on and go type of wig. Like this literally took me 20 minutes or less to install. Now for the video, I kind of slowed it down just to make it a little bit longer. But y'all, this install was so darn easy and so quick. I was blown away. Like, how can I make this video longer when it literally only took me 15 to 20 minutes? So, yeah, girl, this is definitely a wig for beginners or someone who is on the go and ain't got time to do a whole bunch of stuff to their hair. Oh, and just in case I forgot to mention this, this is a light Yaki texture, which I prefer over the kinky texture, simply because it's a lot easier to get a straight look, but it still has that body and fullness to the hair. Honestly, when it comes to bobs, I prefer this texture because it flows more to me. It's more fuller. It gives way more body than just a silky straight texture. So yeah, girl. Oh, and also it doesn't take a whole lot to get a straight look. Like when you go for the kinky texture, girl, you might have to blow dry your hair, straighten your hair 3-4 times to get a straight look, and even then you might not get a bone straight look. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna finish flat ironing my hair and I'll be back with the final results. Okay, so the part is starting to look a little better, but not to my liking. So I'm going to go in with a anti-gray marker, whatever you want to call it. Basically, it's going to help make the part more narrow and smaller and try to get rid of that bald spot that was like in the middle of the wig. And as you can see, it definitely helped give a more clean look. And so we already know the concealer is a must. It emphasizes the parting space. It also hides like any other little black dots that might be peeping through, girl. And this wig is coming through, child. Look at how nice this wig looks, y'all. No flyaways, no lace showing, super melted, super natural looking. Like, my first wig did that for sure. So all the details will be below in the description bar. I appreciate you girls for watching today's video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.